Let's create a funnel using all the pre-built sections that is just came out from GoHighLevel. So let's click here to access pre-built section, and you can access all these cool new pre-built sections. So I'm going to select this welcome to add my hero section, and then I would probably use a partner to add some of the logos. So let's add that in there. So you can see that's also added in here. And once we have created authority, we could also add something about section. So I'm going to go with this. So now we have about section. Once that's done, we could add a little bit of testimonials. So we have now testimonials. Then people would have questions. So obviously we can add some FAQ here. So FAQ is added. Now we can also tell about some of our plans. So we can give our plan selection, which would be, I would choose this one for now. So we have a plan in here. They're still worried about if this is perfect for them. So we could just add that bit in here for whom. And we will add a call to action to finalize the deal. So we add that in here. So it looks like that went one step up. Put that down. Once we have that, we could also add a guarantee. Now we have everything we need, and we just need to add a footer at the bottom. I'll select this as the footer. So our funnel or our website is pretty much done, and it took only less than 3 minutes. So you have a hero section. All you have to do now is to go in here and update the logo and update the heading, update this content. So this is how easy it is to build out funnels using high-level pre-built sections now. How cool is that?